Good morning to everyone. What happened today was not stressful. Reserve ticket for the Shinkansen it's around 9:09. 9:09. Nakarating kami dito because like there's 2 trains kanina sa subway na delayed. So, nadali kami ng bongga. Akala namin, kailangan namin bumili ng bago. And it turns out that you actually can use your ticket to use on a different train, time, whatever, departure, whatever. So, we're here. It's my first time riding the Shinkansen. Ito, I'm excited. Waku-waku. And look what I'm wearing today. Look at my new shoes, guys. Very nice. I love red. I love red, y'all. Let's go, bullet train. First time lang namin magbo-bullet train. To where do we go? Osaka. Osaka, ikimasho. So what we're gonna do later? Mega Donkey. Ato wa, makanai. Hindi namin alam saan pupunta. Demo ashita ga, tomorrow, we will go to... Saan ba pupunta? Universal Studios Japan. Yay! Wala pa kaming ticket kasi wala na kaming pake. Guys, nasa Osaka na kami. And it's actually very rare for it to snow here. But it's snowing again. Hello, snow! Hello, snow! Hello, snow! Wait, kakabuhat ko lang ng luggages ko from the subway. Luggages? Isa lang pala. Sorry, my luggage. It's quite heavy. But now, hi, snow! I miss the snow. I'm gonna snowboard before I go back home. I wanna see the real snow. Yay, it's snowing! Yee! Guys, we're gonna eat here. We're somewhere here. Let's go. Sabaw first, guys. Rock. Oishi desu. Let's go to Mega Donkey we go, guys. Sobrang lamig, guys. It's -4. Hindi pala ako naka-mic. Doon yung Glico sa other side. Sobrang lamig, guys. Nag-gloves na ako. It's 4 degrees and feels like -1. So it's really cold, but not as cold as yung nasa tawag dito sa Hakuba kami. Sir, let's walk. Maybe we will go to Mega Donkey. Shopping agad. Kakadating lang. Guys, it's my first time here. There's so many people. Damn. Look, all taking photos here. Hey, Glicomat. Let's go. Hindi na akong pipicture. Okay na to. Dito na po ako, tita, picture.
Time marches on, but Dexy still looks the same as ever.
Hey guys, today, to the Universal we go. At, ito na kami.
Diba? Kita mo yun? Doon tayo una, oh.
Let's go!
Okay, wait. Magbababa tayo ng init ng ulo.
Ninakaw ko yung vlog ni Dex kasi ang tagal nila umihi. Feeling ko, iwan ko na sila. Pasok na ako sa loob. What do you think? Diba? Iwan ko na sila doon. Pasok na ako sa loob. Vlog takeover.
Magnanakaw kami dito ng vlogs. Kasi kami na yung mga tunay na vloggers.
Correct.
Sobrang nakakapagod dito. Ang init-init dito. Nagpapawisan na nga ako kanina. Ewan ko ba?
Ang tagal niya mag-CR. Ano na, Dexy? Gusto ko na sumakay na roller coaster. Ay, hindi. Ang daming tao sa loob pa. Naka-zoom kanina. Sinadya ko yon para hindi nyo gaanong kita yung mukha ko. Pero vlog takeover. Where are you, Dexy? Dex.
Tara na! Ang lamig guys, ang lamig sobra. Nanginginig na ako. Pero wala tayong pake. We got this. Universal Studios Japan. Tara na, unahin na namin yung... Saan nga ba muna? We're gonna go first sa... Harry Potter. Ay! I like that. You like that one. So one ride na magugustuhan mo.
One of the rides that I would like for sure. Yes.
Yan lang. Is that cat? It's so fluffy. I'm gonna die. To Harry Potter we go, guys. Oh my God. Hindi makita. Mali ako na pinipindot, guys. I'm sorry. Oh, this is the train.
May dun sa loob ng ride na yun, meron.
Let's go to the Wizarding World, minasan. I remove my cap muna. Kasi the arrow pa naman is not that arrow na... Ano yun? Yung arrow na kakaitim. Ah. Let's go here. Tapos na namin guys yung ano yun? Ano yung inuna natin? Ay, Harry Potter, Journey to the Cheverloo. So ngayon, dito na kami sa Jaws. Full of thrills and screams. You may get wet. You may. Ano sabi mo doon sa una nating ride?
J-Lumi. Na-J-Lu.
Nakakahilo siya, guys.
Kasi dalawang beses tayo eh.
Na nag-stop ka, like, sa end na pala, sa end na. What can you say sa ride?
The ride earlier was scary. Kinda.
Nagulat siya dun sa ano, what do you call those?
The Dementors.
Yeah,
That's so scary.
nagulat din to eh. Maganda yung ano, gusto ko yung dragon pa lang eh. It's awesome guys, I love it. Buti yung ino namin. So fun. Tapos na kami sa Jaws. It was really cool guys. Look at there's like this whole... I hope you guys saw that. And guys, we just finished that ride. Sana, hindi sila kita. Basta yung extreme one ng Jurassic Park. So I just finished that. We just finished that ride. And now, kakain ako nito. Itong black pepper pork rib. Parang kanina ko pa kasi siya nadaanan and like parang nag-crave na ako dun. So, I'm gonna buy one na. And it's 850 yen. So, I hope it's yummy. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ito na siya guys. This is it. Try natin siya guys. Wow! Harap!
Nandito pala. Ito. Kalimutan ko ka. Is it good? Like super? Or...
Sarap siya. Maharap siya. Yun lang. Guys! It's snowing here! It's snowing! It's snowing! Nga pala, happy birthday. Kantahan natin siya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Dear bird, happy birthday to you.
Yay! Meron na akong headwig. As well as a ring. So cute! Ang cute! Ito gusto ko. I like this one. Good afternoon! Hello! So, nasa tayo ngayon, Junie B?
Ichiran.
Ichiran ramen? Again. And excited ako matry nila kasi when I first tried this, it was like mind-blowing. It's gonna be yummy. Pinili mo yung rich, di ba? Nag-rich din ako. We love the flavorful taste. So excited! I miss this ramen. It's the best one. Sabaw, 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 sabaw. Sarap. Hi guys! So, I'm walking around in here sa Osaka alone. And kasi we decided, me and my friends, we decided to go places like by ourselves, go our separate ways kung saan man namin gusto pumunta. And I'm just in the mood to like walk everywhere. So right now, I don't know where I'm going. Just every store that I see, I just go inside. Because why not? If it's interesting enough, we'll go inside. If it's nothing na interesting, we will pass by. Look, there's a Liberty Walk store here. Again. Let's go! Guys, it's snowing while I'm walking around. Guys, hindi na ako makapag-vlog, pero mag-vlog ako ngayon. Because I'm gonna eat this. It's so crazy cold, God! Onegaishimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. I think this is hot. Let's try. We have to walk while I'm eating this. It's very hot. Lumamig na yata siya. So let's try. Let's try. Grabe. Kakaiba yung lasa niya. So yummy. Yummy. This is another. Ay, that's so guys, huwag niyo napansinin yung ilong ko namumula na siya. At sinisipon na talaga ako. Ano to? Good morning sa lahat. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog masyado kahapon kasi chill day na lang namin yon. At naghiwa-hiwalay nga kami, diba? But ngayon, kami ni Junie, hindi kami mapakali at magsusnowboard kami ngayon ulit. Kami ay Shinkansen today. We will Shinkansen today from Shin Osaka to Maibara. So, ito, si Junie. Ayun, si Flaps, gising na rin siya. Anong oras na nga ba? 6:07. Nagising ako nung 4 a.m. And we're alive. Kami ay Gina G mag-snowboard. Bale, kami dalawa lang today. And, syempre, yung footages ulit natin later will be sa aking 360 camera. And si Dora ako today. Dora. I borrowed this from Kurt, the backpack. So, I brought like 2 bags with me. Here are like the essentials. And sa likod, yung aking snowboard jacket and ang aking tapos yung padding sa butt. Kasi alam kong marunong ako, pero ayoko magkapasa ang ating, alam nyo na. So, ngayon, let's go to the JR we go. I miss the snow! I miss the Yuki! Ah! So, papahinga muna kami ni Junie dito. Tignan niyo siya. Look at her! Ay, her! Payag ka, her tayo.
Bitit lang ako ngayong araw.
Ay, tingin.
Bitit.
Dalawa lang kami today. So, ayun di tayo kumpleto.
Yeah.
Dora tayo today, guys. I'm Dora. Swiper, no swiping. Wah! Snow again! Snow again! Snow time, let's go! Guys, nandito kami sa rentals and naka-snowboard boots na ako. And here's my board for today. It's pinkish, bluish, I don't know. And then there's so many people. Ngayon lang ako nagmagaganto. Hindi kami mag-helmet today. Pero naka-heat. Naka-heat tech pa rin yung aking leeg kasi gininaw yung buong katawan ko kanina because I wasn't wearing it yet. And now, let's go! Alam mo guys! We're back na sa BNB. Ay! Ganyan.
Parang nabigla lang, ano?
Babay na.
Babang-baba ka. Di ba pagkatapos yan?
Hello, people! This is gonna be the last part ng ating vlog because I won't be able to vlog tomorrow anymore kasi I'm just planning to chill na lang and wala nang vlog kasi I want to put my Osmo na sa hand carry luggage ko. So, yes. We're gonna go to Donkey, one last Donkey run. One last Donkey Run because there's no Donkey Hut in the Philippines, which is a good thing because that place reeks of spending money. It screams spend money. So yeah, it's not that cold ngayong gabi. Maybe because we went kanina sa snow, it was like dang cold, yo. Kita nyo naman, I was wearing hoodie na orange na hindi waterproof at all. And then it snowed like so freaking hard, yo. So yung aking buong jacket was like drenched in, I don't know, kung ano man. Basang-basa siya. It was very wet. So what I had to do was snowboard with those on. Kasi I didn't want to palit the damit anymore. Dahil may bayad din naman. So we're walking towards Donkey. Donkey again. Donkey. Don, don, Donkey. Donkey Hote. So we're going back na sa aming mahiwagang Airbnb. We're done buying like the last souvenir stuff pasalubong. And yeah. So I think that will be all, guys, for this trip. Kasi pag when I get back, ako ay mag eto, ang dami po rin tao dun. Puro kasi bar dun sa part kung nasan yung aming Airbnb. So, just walk towards there. Yun nga, guys, that will be all for this vlog. Kasi pagbalik ko, mag-impake nga ako. And I won't be able to take videos anymore. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this crazy vlog. And I don't know if I was able to vlog ng maayos. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm really sleepy. Bye-bye!